Well, hi, I'm Leanne Purdy. This is Mallory,
I'm Jimmy Purdy.
and we own Shifting Gears Auto Repair for almost a decade. Jimmy's the one that started it, actually. Quite proud of that.
Call myself the founder, and she just does all the hard work.
She knows. I do all the real work.
This is HR, and I just kind of show up here and walk around aimlessly. And occasionally I dress up looking real pretty, and I do like videos. But other than that, I don't really do a whole lot. She's the brains behind the operation.
You know, we'd like to say that, but the truth is, he's the idea man.
Marketing extraordinaire.
You are.
What do you
I
do?
used to be the executioner.
I said what she
before
does.
her.
She does.
Well, she's the real boss.
Oh no, she soaks up all the profit. That's what
No, Mallory's the real boss, and everybody knows it when we walk in.
Yep, there it is. Straight from the boss lady.
The boss lady's mouth. I'm back of the house, he's front of the house, and she oversees
And she owns the
everybody.
house.
And she owns the house.